Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everyday English, the phrases and sentences we use all the time. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your fluency, these are essential for everyday conversations. First, let's start with the morning routine. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I need to brush my teeth and take a shower. What's for breakfast today? I'm getting ready for office as school. I'm leaving for office as school now. I'm working from home today. Let's look at some common sentences for office or school. Can you help me with this task? When is the meeting starting? I'll finish this report by the end of the day. Can I borrow your pen for a moment? How are you today? Can you help me with this? What's the deadline for this project? I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Time for lunch. Here are some phrases you can use. I'm hungry. What's on the menu? I'll have a sandwich, please. Can I get some water? I'm having lunch with a friend. After lunch, it's time for some errands. Where is the nearest grocery store? I need to buy some vegetables. Do you accept credit cards? Thank you for your help. I'm going to the gym. Let's look at some common conversation starters. How are you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. What are you doing this weekend? I'm going to the beach. That sounds fun. I agree. I disagree. I understand. Finally, let's wrap up with the evening routine. What's for dinner? I'm feeling tired. I need to finish my homework. How was your day? I'm so tired, but it was a good day. Let's order pizza for dinner. Good night. And there you have it. Simple and useful sentences for your daily life. Practice these, and you'll be conversing confidently in no time. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.